Hey everyone, welcome to new video. Wow, this is a five finger toy. Wow, one, two, three, four, five. Five. This is a five finger toy. Wow, wow. Bye. Wow, this is a minus toy fan. Wow, good. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a musical toy mobile. Wow, wow. Bye. Wow, this is a toy revolver. Wow. Yellow and blue color combination toy revolver. Wow. Wow. This gun we use two kind of bullet. Wow. Let's try. This is a ball bullet. Wow. It's so powerful. Wow. Let's try another rubber bullet. Wow. 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 Bye bye. Wow. This is a small candy bag. Wow. Wow. This is candy here. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow. This is a realistic AK-47 toy. Wow. This gun we use three kind of bullet. Wow. Let's try. Wow. This is a plastic bullet. Wow. This is a ball bullet. Wow. 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 This is a rubber bullet. Wow. Wow. This is another rubber bullet. Wow. Let's try.